Buying the wrong used Toyota SUV in 2026 can cost thousands in repairs, even with a Toyota badge on the front. Some models are built to last for decades, while others simply offer far better value than the rest. This countdown ranks 5 used Toyota SUVs that have earned their reputation through real-world reliability, low ownership costs, and the ability to keep going for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 1 stands in a league of its own, so make sure to stay until the end. Number 5. Toyota RAV4 from 2019 to 2024. Starting the list is the 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4, and there is a good reason it continues to be one of the easiest used SUVs to recommend in 2026. It is the kind of vehicle that fits almost any lifestyle. Daily commuting, long highway trips, weekend travel, grocery runs, and family use are all handled without feeling like a compromise. That balance is exactly why the RAV4 has remained one of Toyota's strongest sellers for years. Under the hood, most models use Toyota's naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain has earned an excellent reputation for long-term dependability. Regular oil changes, routine fluid services, and basic maintenance are usually all that is needed to keep it running smoothly for a very long time. It is not unusual to find well-maintained examples with very high mileage still performing reliably. Another reason the RAV4 stands out is affordability after purchase. Routine maintenance is generally straightforward, replacement parts are widely available, and repairs are usually less expensive than many competing compact SUVs. That makes ownership much easier for buyers planning to keep the vehicle for years instead of replacing it after a short time. The cabin is another strong point. There is enough space for adults in both rows, the seats are comfortable for longer trips, and the cargo area easily handles luggage, shopping, sports equipment, or everyday family needs. The driving position also provides excellent visibility, making city driving and parking much less stressful. Technology also holds up well in 2026. Even lower trims include useful features that still feel modern, while higher trims add larger displays, extra comfort features, and additional convenience without changing the dependable mechanical package underneath. During a test drive, pay attention to suspension noises over rough roads, make sure every electronic feature works correctly, and look for a complete maintenance history. A vehicle that has received regular servicing is usually a much safer purchase than one with lower mileage but poor maintenance records. For buyers searching for a used SUV that combines reliability, practicality, fuel efficiency, low running costs, and strong resale value, the 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4 remains one of the smartest choices available. It may be number 5 on this list, but the SUVs ahead raise the standard even further. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid, 2020 to 2024. If carrying more people is a priority, very few used SUVs make as much sense in 2026 as the 2020 to 2024 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. It delivers the extra seating and cargo space that many families need without bringing the high fuel costs that are common with larger 3-row SUVs. That combination alone makes it stand out in the used market. Power comes from Toyota's proven 2.5-liter hybrid system paired with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission. This hybrid setup has been refined over many years and has built a strong reputation for dependable operation. The electric motor and gasoline engine work together smoothly, making acceleration feel natural while helping reduce fuel stops during everyday driving. Long-distance travel is another area where the Highlander Hybrid performs well. The cabin stays quiet at highway speeds, the seats remain comfortable on longer journeys, and there is enough room for passengers to stretch out. Behind the third row, cargo space is useful for everyday errands, and folding the rear seats creates enough room for larger items when needed. Another reason this SUV earns a place near the top of the list is ownership costs. Routine servicing is simple, genuine and aftermarket parts are widely available, and Toyota's hybrid technology has proven its durability over hundreds of thousands of miles when maintenance is kept up. Many buyers worry about hybrid batteries, but well-maintained Toyota hybrid systems have consistently shown impressive longevity. When shopping for one, check that the maintenance history is complete. Confirm that the hybrid system operates smoothly without warning lights, and test every electronic feature, including the infotainment system and driver assistance functions. A vehicle with consistent service records is almost always the better choice. The Highlander Hybrid is not on this list because it is the biggest or the fastest. It earns its position because it combines excellent fuel economy, outstanding reliability, practical family space, and low long-term ownership costs in a way that very few three-row SUVs can match. Even so, the next three Toyota SUVs take durability and proven dependability to an even higher level. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 2010 to 2023. Moving into the top 3 is the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, and this is where the list starts focusing on SUVs that have built their reputation over many years in some of the toughest driving conditions. Whether the roads are smooth highways, broken pavement, mountain tracks, or unpaved routes, the Prado has repeatedly shown why it remains one of Toyota's most respected SUVs. Unlike many modern SUVs that are designed mainly for city driving, the Prado is built on a rugged body-on-frame platform. That construction gives it the strength to handle rough terrain while still providing a comfortable ride for everyday use. It is equally at home on long road trips or challenging roads where many crossovers begin to struggle. Depending on the market, the Prado came with several engine options, but the 2.8-liter turbo diesel and the 4-liter V6 gasoline engine are among the most sought-after choices. Both have earned a strong reputation for durability when serviced on time. With regular oil changes, quality fluids, and proper maintenance, these engines are well known for reaching very high mileage without major mechanical problems. The interior is another reason buyers continue to choose the Prado. The cabin is spacious, visibility is excellent, and there is enough room for passengers and luggage without feeling cramped. Higher trims add premium materials and extra convenience features, but even simpler versions provide everything needed for comfortable daily use. Resale value is another area where the Prado performs exceptionally well. It has remained in demand for years, meaning well-maintained examples often hold their value better than many competitors. That makes it an attractive option not only for ownership, but also for buyers who may decide to sell it later. Before purchasing, inspect the suspension carefully, especially if the vehicle has been used frequently on rough roads. Look underneath for signs of heavy off-road damage or corrosion. Verify that the four-wheel drive system operates correctly, and always choose a vehicle with a documented maintenance history whenever possible. The Land Cruiser Prado has earned its place because it combines proven reliability, genuine off-road capability, practical family space, and excellent long-term durability. It is the type of SUV that continues to perform year after year with proper care. Even so, the final two vehicles on this list have become legendary for lasting even longer and building an even stronger reputation for dependability. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner 2014 to 2024. Taking the second spot is the 2014 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner, an SUV that has built one of the strongest reliability records in its class. While many manufacturers redesigned their SUVs around smaller turbocharged engines and car-based platforms, Toyota stayed with a proven formula that continued to deliver year after year. That decision is a major reason the 4Runner remains one of the safest used SUV purchases in 2026. Every model in this generation comes with a naturally aspirated 4-liter V6 engine matched to a 5-speed automatic transmission. On paper, those specifications may not seem modern, but real-world ownership tells a different story. This powertrain has been refined for years, with very few widespread mechanical concerns. Many owners have driven well beyond 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance, and examples with even higher mileage are not uncommon. Its body-on-frame construction also sets it apart from most midsize SUVs on the market. That design provides outstanding strength and durability, making the 4Runner a great choice for drivers who regularly face rough roads, tow equipment, or simply want an SUV built to handle years of hard use. At the same time, it remains practical enough for daily driving, offering a comfortable seating position, excellent visibility, and generous cargo space. Another advantage is its long-term ownership experience. Parts are widely available, maintenance is generally straightforward, and the mechanical components have been proven over many years. Instead of relying on complicated technology, Toyota focused on durability, and that approach has helped the 4Runner earn an outstanding reputation for dependability. Inside, the cabin is functional rather than flashy, but it provides exactly what most buyers need. The controls are easy to use, there is plenty of storage throughout the interior, and later model years include updated infotainment features that still feel current in 2026. The rear seats also offer enough room for passengers, making the SUV suitable for both everyday errands and longer road trips. Before buying, inspect the frame carefully for rust if the vehicle spent time in areas where roads are heavily salted during winter. Check for a complete service history, make sure the transmission shifts smoothly, and test the 4-wheel drive system if equipped. A well-maintained example can continue providing dependable service for many years without major mechanical issues. The Toyota 4Runner ranks second because it combines legendary reliability, proven mechanical simplicity, exceptional durability, and strong resale value into one package. Few SUVs have built such a loyal following over such a long period. Even with all those strengths, one Toyota SUV still stands above every other car when it comes to long-term dependability and a reputation that has been earned across the world. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser 2008 to 2021. At number 1 is the 2008 to 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser, widely regarded as one of the most reliable SUVs ever built. Its proven V8 engine, exceptionally durable drivetrain, and body-on-frame construction have earned a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. It offers outstanding comfort, excellent capability on almost any road, and one of the strongest resale values in the SUV market. Before buying, look for a complete service history and signs that routine maintenance has been performed consistently. If the goal is to own a used Toyota SUV that can provide years of dependable service, the Land Cruiser remains the benchmark in 2026.